All right, guys, conditioning workout for the day. 5 rounds, 2 minutes each of 20 dumbbell box step-ups, and in the remaining time, as many dumbbell push presses as possible. So the intent for this workout is to get through those step-ups as quickly as possible and then accumulate as many push presses as you are able to in the remaining time. Once you have worked for 2 minutes, you're going to rest for 2 minutes. We're going to complete 5 rounds of that. For the step up, you're going to have a dumbbell in each hand, and at the top of the step, you are going to open your hips all the way up. Stand tall. That's a completed rep when you're standing tall on the top of the box. 20 step ups, alternating legs or not. I would really recommend that you at least do equal work on both legs, however you want to break that up. Once you've completed that, accumulate as many possible push presses as you're able to. Grab your dumbbells, they'll start on the ground, get them up to your shoulder, and from here you're going to dip, drive, and press. We want to lock out your elbows at the top. We want to keep a nice balanced dumbbell right over top of the middle of your body. Drive your heels through the ground as you're jumping that weight off of your shoulders. Let the weight fly off there and then catch it locked out. When you bring it back down, you can use your knees like shocks and then drive it right back up there. 5 rounds, 2 minutes of work, 20 step ups, as many push presses as possible. 2 minutes rest. Enjoy that one, guys.